A very good morning, dear children. Today is Saturday, and on this Saturday, we'll do some special craft activity. You know, our festival of lights, Deepavali, is approaching very soon. So, to make this festival more special, we'll make a craft item, and that is a wall hanging with diyas. Okay, so we'll make few colorful diyas and we'll make a wall hanging with these diyas. Okay, children, for this activity you need few glitter sheets of different colors. Okay, I'm having some different colors glitter sheets here. Fine, like this. And you need your kid scissors, sellotape. This is a sellotape, you need that, and lace ribbon or any kind of decorative string. Okay, and you need your pencil, ruler. Okay, so let's start this activity. I'm taking this blue glitter sheet. Now I'm going to draw diyas here. Okay, I'm going to draw a sleeping line. Okay, like this. Now I'm going to draw curve like this. Okay,
or you can say a half circle like this. Okay,
fine.
now I'm making wick of this diya
Like this.
It's very simple to draw. Draw like this.
Now I will keeping these diyas aside. Okay, now I'll take another sheet and just keeping this sheet also reverse, and this time I'll make some bigger diyas. Okay, like this. I'm going to draw this kind of a standing line like this. To measure these diyas, I will keep this ruler like this and count the
Centimeters.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
8 centimeters broad.
To measure these diyas, we'll keep this ruler like this and we will count the centimeters here.
So I will make these two diyas 8 centimeters broad.
Fine. And the length of this diya is 4 centimeter. Okay. And the width of this diya is 5 centimeter long. Now I'll make some bigger diyas here with this green sheet. Okay. This time I will make
Little bigger diyas. This time I will make 10 centimeters broad diyas. Okay. Now I will put a dot here, and in the same way I'll make another diya. So I'll keep this ruler like this. Now I'm keeping my ruler like this, and
I will count the centimeters 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 centimeters. I will keep this dot here after 10 centimeters. Okay. I'll make a curve. A curve like this. Okay. Make C. Alphabet C. You have to make curve like this. Okay. I'll make another diya just like that. Okay. Now I'll make 7 centimeter long wick I'm going to make here. So for making wick I will make this kind of drop like this. Okay. Now I'll cut these diyas with my kid scissor. Just cut it till here. Cut it like this. Children, this is a kid scissor. If you can't cut the paper, just ask from your parents. They will cut it for you. Okay. See, I have cut this diya like this. See children, I have cut these diyas. Okay, so I can make 2 wall hangings with these diyas.
So we can hang these wall hangings both the sides of the doors. Okay? You can decorate these diyas with the sequins and stars.
And
Children, I'm using the pieces of leftover glitter sheet, but you can use the sequins or stars also to decorate them. Okay?
fine, decorate it. I am not having sequins right now, so I have used these diamond shapes cutting. Okay, I am just drawing the wick on this orange sheet.
And I will cut these wicks for all the diyas. Okay?
Now children, I have cut these wicks with the orange shade. Now I am going to stick on these diyas like this. Fine.
If you want to decorate
These diyas little more with sequins and stars, you can do that. Okay. Now our diyas are ready.
I am going to make wall hangings with these diyas.
Take the bigger one, then the smaller than bigger, like this. Keep all the diyas in reverse, like this. Okay. I'll take this lace here, like this. I'll do it double. Now I'll cut this lace from here. This diya has sticker glue, so I can stick it here inside this paper. Okay, I will stick it here. I will cut this paper from here.
Now take another diya and stick the lace ribbon on the back of it with the sellotape.
See, just I'm keeping the sellotape here because it's transparent, so it will not look bad. Now take a little more sellotape here for sticking
it well.
Now I'll take another diya, keeping reverse side and just keeping the lace like this. Fine. Now I'm sticking the sellotape here like this. Okay, because it's transparent, so it will not look bad. So children, our wall hangings are ready. Children, you can decorate these wall hangings both the sides of the door. Okay, because we have made 2 wall hangings like this. Okay.
Children, when you will make these wall hangings on your own for the festival of Diwali, then you will feel very happy and
You will enjoy to decorate it. Children, I wish you and your family a very happy Diwali with this craft work. Thank you. Bye-bye.